In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save files to Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to upload a file from your computer into Google Drive using the New button and the File Upload option. With Google Drive, open in your browser, start by moving your cursor to the top left corner. First, click New. This opens a small menu with options for adding items to your drive. Next, click File Upload. As soon as you select this, your computer's file picker window will appear. This is where you choose the file you want to save to Google Drive. Now, select the file. In the file picker, browse to the folder on your computer where the file is stored. Click once on the file's name to highlight it. If you need to upload more than one file, you can select multiple files here before uploading, but a single file works the same way. Google Drive accepts most common file types, including documents, images, videos, and PDFs, so you don't need to convert anything before uploading. Once the file is selected, click Open. This immediately starts the upload to Google Drive. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen to see the upload status panel. You'll see a progress bar while the file is transferring. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and the file size. There's nothing else you need to do here, just let the upload finish. When the status shows upload complete, your file is saved to Google Drive. You'll also see the file appear in your Drive content area. If your view is set to list, it will show up as a new row. In grid view, it will appear as a new thumbnail. This confirms the file is now stored in your Google Drive account and is available from any device where you're signed in. If you don't immediately see the file, wait a moment and it will refresh automatically. You can also use the search bar at the top of Google Drive to find it by name. The original file on your computer is unchanged. You've simply saved a copy to Google Drive. That's all there is to it. You clicked New, chose File Upload, selected your file, and clicked Open. The upload completed and your file is now safely saved to Google Drive. Your file upload to Google Drive is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.